Good morning, class. Today we are going to start chapter 3, Business Environment. In this chapter, we will discuss what are the concept of business environment, character of business environment, and what are the importance of business environment. Concept of business environment. Business environment consists of all components of the surrounding of a business organization which affect or influence its operation and determine its effectiveness. Environment is dynamic and changes according to time. It is also complex and difficult to forecast. Therefore, management need to estimate and forecast environmental influence to sustain. Character of business. The main character of business environment are totally of internal factor, means business environment is the sum total of all those factors which are available outside the business. Secondly, general and special factor, means the factor of business environment can be divided into two major groups, that is general factor and specific factor. Third one is interrelatedness, means various factors of the business environment are interrelated. For example, a new government come to power due to change in political condition of a country, a new fiscal policy, new monetary policy, new import export policy, new industry policy framed by the new government change the economic condition of the country. Fourthly, dynamic. Fifth, complexity, uncertainty, means uncertainty as some factor of business environment are ever changing. It is very difficult to predict future event. Exactly, in future in business, it is very difficult to predict about the future events. And lastly, 2 points: constant and opportunities, and lastly, relativity. So these are the characters of business environment. So here are the importance of business environment: identifying opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Nextly, identify threats and early warning signals. Then coping with rapid changes, tapping useful resources, helping in planning and policy formulation, and lastly, help in improving performance. Dimension of business environment. So first of all, we have divided business environment into two parts, that is internal environment and the external environment. Now from the external end of external environment, there is again two types, micro environment and the macro environment. Now from the micro environment, here are the different dimension of business environment from the end of external environment. So these are economic environment, social environment, political environment, legal environment, and technological environment. If we look at into the legal environment, means the act which control and regulate the business activities are together called legal environment. Similarly, technological environment means the state of science and technology in the country. It's depend upon several factors such as spirit of invention among people, facilitate for research and development, access of foreign technology, etc. So these are the dimension of business environment. Factor of business environment. There are two factors of business environment, that is internal factor and the external factor. In an internal factor, there are employees management, financial capacity, business culture, structure of the business. Now external factors, here marketing, market competition, rule and regulation of government, existence of superior supplier of your customer, advertising, and media. So these are the external factor. Now here are the external business environment. So in external business environment, there are economic, social, global, technological, and competitive. So these are the external business environment which help the business to fulfill and earn its profit and objective.